Hey, I'm Fish. Let's take a walk. I'm gonna go get whale cleaner. I wanna shine my car tires up. I wanna wash the car up before the heat wave hits. I wanna do a walking vlog. I wanna walk slow so I don't bob up and down. We don't have digital image stabilization, but imagine we did with a mechanical gimbal. I'm walking, I don't see you bobbing up and down in the video screen. I'm not looking for gyro stabilization, flow stabilization that you download and post. We've come a long way with cameras. And man, we have hyper smooth, master motion, hyper smooth. Now we got gimbal smooth. Wouldn't you want to have digital image stabilization and mechanical as a combination in your gimbal camera? Finally, something happening to the corner store. They got the Cybertruck, but they're inside the store. We park wherever we want. Got an ambulance up ahead. Maybe I could zoom in, show you how easy it is to zoom and try to get in on him. There we are. When I'm in the open, I'll get those shots. So there he goes. Moving along. Let me go in, get what I need. Maybe I'll take the long way home. I didn't feel like spending $10 hot in the store. Off I go. I don't need to clean my tires and make it shiny. It is what it is, man. That's like, do you want an Insta360 Luna because everybody has it? Well, it's quite expensive if asked. I try to hold off for the extra Muse 2 Pro. I could wait a little longer. I got this so I can have some fun. In the meantime, I figure I'll just get out, do a quick walking vlog, give a little talk, give a little share, give a little show. Hope you enjoyed the Insta360 Luna Ultra as much as I am enjoying it right now. Ask me tomorrow. Ask me the day after. I'll let you know if you like to know. On that note, I'm Fish. I'll see you on the next one.